Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to revert your LG TV to the initial settings. So if you're having an issue with your TV or something, press settings. Then go to settings over here. Open this up. Now let's go down to general. Go to the right, go on down. And we want to go to where it says system. Then under system, we have this option for reset to initial settings. So we can just click this. Important resetting will delete all your account settings, installed apps. This action will be cannot be undone. Do you want to continue? Reset all except network, etc. So you can choose your options. You will still be connected to your internet if you go to the middle option. And then you should be good to go. So you can factory reset everything with that simple setting. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.